So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be seeing the case 4 of shortcut method. This is the simplest case of all. So in this case, if the f of x is equal to any constant, that is a, it can be 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 5, anything. So if it is a, then yp is equal to 1 upon phi of d into, if the f of x is a, any constant, then put d is equal to 0. This is as simple. So we'll be seeing an example so you'll understand it better. In an example, it is d square plus 3d plus 2 y is equal to 3 by 2 is the constant. So now first we'll take yc. We'll put auxiliary equation ae is phi of d is equal to 0, means this part will be equal to 0. So d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. Now the roots are d is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. So we can remove yc is equal to c1 e raised to minus 1x plus 2 e raised to minus 2x. This is equation 1. As these roots are real and different, we have this formula. In our first video we have told how to remove this yc. So now yp is equal to 1 upon phi of d into f of x. So 1 upon phi of d. Phi of d is this part. So we'll write it d square plus 3d plus 2 into 3 by 2, as this is the f of x. Now when we have a constant as f of x, we'll put d is equal to 0. So then it is 1 upon 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 3 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3 by 2. Therefore it is 3 by 4. So yp is equal to 3 by 4, and this is the equation 2. Now we have is equal to yc plus yp. So you can see this is yc and this is yp. Now yc plus yp will be c1 e raised to minus 1x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x plus 3 by 4. So this is as simple. This is the final answer. So this is the simplest method. Please write down this case and learn it. In the next video, we'll be taking case 5 and case 6 of shortcut method. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.